osteodonto-keratic culture and its makers. So what is the core demand of this particular question? The core demand of this particular question is that I am going to give you a particular term followed by culture. So there is a particular kind of a culture, right? Okay, so we have to write about that particular thing. What are the debates surrounding this? Okay, this is a hypothesis, right? What are the different sort of views regarding this, right? And its makers. So this question essentially also has another part, which is going to be the makers of this particular culture. So this osteodonto-keratic, the culture, okay, or that debate, right, it's surrounding which particular hominin species, right? That is a question. So you have Australopithecines is the species here. You still have to sort of talk about, who are the major sort of species. Thoda sa ek diagram वगैरह लगा लो. Okay, write some sort of specifics. You have your Africanus, you have your Afarensis, you have your Robustus, you have your Boise, you have your Anamensis, right? Matlab something about those things also has to be brought in here. If you have, okay, then, it is easy for you to be able to get to the top 5% or the top 1% for this particular question. Okay, so demand has to be addressed, meaning what are the different components that have been asked? Have you been able to address it? Okay, have you shown conceptual clarity by saying that it was a hypothesis? Okay, and it has been refuted as well. Yes, that means, okay, so conceptual clarity here. And then have you been able to bring in key Afarensis, Lucy, Downchild, Raymond Dart, okay, Donald Johansson, Robustus and Boyce, bring in, M. Leakey, you try to bring in Broom, and so on and so forth. If you can bring in all these kind of things, the facts towards the end, then you've addressed all the parts of the question. Okay, you have the core demand addressed, you have your the conceptual clarity has been shown. At the same time, you have evidences, scholars and studies and examples and specifics in your answer.